পরম প্রেমময় শ্রী শ্রী ঠাকুরের ঠাকুরজন প্রণাম। পরম আরাধ্য জগৎজননী শ্রী শ্রী পরম আচার্য পরম পূজ্য শ্রী বরদাসী বর্তমান আচার্য শ্রী দাসী। It is my pleasure to join today in this big group of online satsang activities. Some of the people I know, but those who don't know me, just a little bit of introduction is my name is Sanjeev Das. I'm basically from Bangladesh, from Chittagong district. If anybody is here in the southern part of Bangladesh, was connected with Sri Sri Thakur from 1995 when I took my initiation on 10th March. I'm the first generation in my family. So like other speakers and those who are blessed to be born in a satsang family, I'm not that fortunate. I did not get chance to read all those Thakur's book. Like, you know, though I bought, and it is in my Thakur's room here, I have 22 copies and all those Islam Prasanga Alochana, but I'm trying, but didn't get through all those. But every now and then, probably sometime for some reference, but I was trying to look for some references. So the first thing is, I don't have like that much knowledge about Sri Sri Thakur, but the only thing I have is I have some feelings for him. I feel him. So for the interest of time, I'll just share a few incidents. I know a lot of people now, they are sharing Thakur's literature, Pradhan Acharya, the Sri Sri Bordas history, and Sri Sri Dada's unconditional love to everyone, Pujaniya Babaida's unconditional love to everyone. You know, even the three sons of Acharya, the Pujaniya Shipaida, Pujaniya Vinkida, and everybody. So I again, like Yogesh Da, I like to share one quick twist story. I hope I can cover it by 10 minutes. The first thing is, even in one Ritik conference, I highlighted that maybe those who did not hear, I just want to repeat that. How I came in Canada. Maybe someone may be interested, you know, how were you landed in Canada? It's a very interesting story. And unko daya. It's not a story, is a mercy of him towards a very simple person. So the thing is, it was around 2009, 2007. I was in Singapore basically for 6-7 years. So I was there for I have been there from 2007, and with the blessings from Acharya Dev, I bought a house there. Then my family decided that, hey, we will not use the master bed there. I said, okay, that's a great idea. Maybe let's do that. So we blocked the master bed, and I have 2 kids who used to use the other room. Like I have 2 young kids actually. Now one is in grade 10, but at that time they were small. So we blocked the room. We never used our washroom, and you know, as usual, we did Nivedan to Sri Sri Dada to send someone to Singapore, because I said, this is our wish. I have kept a room in my master bedroom. I never used after I bought it. So we want someone from Thakur family. So long story short, at that time, you know, Pujaniya Vinkida came. Pujaniya Ma, at that time he was saying, okay, Vinki ke niye jao. So Ma jehetu bollen Vinki ke niye jao, Sri Sri Dadaro eki kotha. Some of you may know, he was there around 2010-11. Then, you know, long back ago, Pujyapat Dada, Sri Sri Dada told my family when we were visiting at that time, he said, try for Canada kind of thing, like, you know, Canada's education or something is good, better than Singapore, is stressful or whatever it is. So that was in our mind. And then, you know, we tried for Canada, and we got the permanent residency here in 2012. Then what happened, I went to Deoghar because I don't want to come here without I had a job in Singapore, so I don't want to lose my job and come to Canada without anything. So what I did, I was like, I don't know what to do. At some moments, you don't know what to do. Then you run to the head office, that kind of thing. I think a lot of you have the same feelings that we did a lot of time, because at one point we are stagnant. We don't know. So same situation that happened to me, and I ran to Deoghar, and I was staying where Pujyapat Dada is sitting nowadays, outside. At that time, Balaramda, I think some of you may know Balaramda, who sings, who is a singer, well-known singer. He came and he was talking to me. বলছে সঞ্জীব দা আপনি নাকি কানাডা চলে যাচ্ছেন 3 মাসের মধ্যে? You are going to Canada in 3 months. I say I don't know, because I was looking for my job, and if I get a job, probably yes, but if I don't get a job, probably not. 3 months, within 3 months. So I was given a 3-month boundary, and after that, in 2013 March, I landed in Canada. I was trying from Singapore for all the jobs, and it was when I landed for 3 weeks, I arranged 5-6 interview for 3 weeks, because I took leave from my job. I was working in ExxonMobil Singapore for 5-6 years. This kind of established. Then the strongest thing that does not have any explanation to me in my life is that I got the job in 3 months. When I received my appointment letter, when I was in Canada for landing purpose, I was calculating, it was 1 day less than 90 days. I was very astonished, honestly. Maybe the feeling was very different at that time. The explanation could be very different to different people, but to me, it's only blessings, because it is not possible. The reason is, the reality is, at that time it was recession going on in Canada. Even the country, the people, the Canadian, I mean, I'm Canadian now, the Canadian are not getting job at that time. How can you hire people from outside? So it's very amazing, like, that changed my decision. So I have no confusion that Yogesda said, your confusion becomes clear. So confusion becomes clear, and I have a clear path to be here. Maybe, I don't know, now again, after coming here, we are growing. I'll take 2-3 minutes. Just recently happened one incident. I like to share that. That is another one. I have been suffering from fever almost a month, very recent. So what happened is, the GP was trying for different medication, 1 round of antibiotic. Then he gave, there is no change in my fever. Every evening I got fever and coughing. And then he tried another round of antibiotics. He said it's a higher antibiotic. I said, okay. Then, he gave me all the tests, the COVID-19 test, opioid, this, that, and everything. And everything got negative. So he does not know what to do. He said, okay, the last thing I can do is I can try the last round of antibiotic. I say, okay. But this is almost 22-23 days. Then, again, being failed with all attempts, being failed with a clear direction from doctor. So what we do the same thing. My wife was saying that, why not you do Nivedan to Sisi Dada? So I did the same thing again. I mean, sometimes, feel very guilty, because we disturb them in so many ways, so many times. That is the only reason I could disturb them in early stage, but sometimes don't want to do that. It's kind of a feeling that, why do I bother and disturb, their day-to-day life? But sometimes there is no way, no path. So did the same thing, contacted Pujaniya Shipaida, and to do Nivedan, I just wrote something to him, to Sisi Dada, and Sisi Dada gave 3 options. The first 2 options I could not get here. All the herbals, basically, I could not get here. Second option I could not get here. So the third option I managed, and I talked to Pujaniya Shipaida, called me, and I talked to him a couple of times. He said, he emphasized one thing: since you have the fever every now and then, intermittently, So you have the infection still there. You have to rule out the infection. Don't forget that, Sanjeev. So then, you know, when I took the option 3, on the very next day, in my whole body the rashes comes, all everywhere the red things. Then I went to doctor again. Then he gave medication for the rashes, and the thing is gone. Then I asked him, hey doctor, what happened actually? You are trying all the antibiotics 2-3 rounds, but nothing happened. Now you are giving only the rash allergy medication. He said, you have a weird kind of virus or bacteria, I don't know. I was laughing, you know, while remembering Sisi Dada's word that you have to rule out the infection that you have inside. So this is kind of the mercy, kindness of from Sisi Dada along with the Thakur family. The thing is, there is no word to describe all those things. This this can be realized, you know, through own feeling. It's not, it may not match with one, or may not match with others' comments, because those who is suffering, he only knows how helpless we are at that moment. So in this world now, sometimes we are very helpless. We are very helpless because we don't know, because we have the fear. Like, so how do I remove that fear? You know, one devotee, I'm ending here. One devotee was paralyzed, and he sat near Sisi Thakur. He was very upset because he got paralyzed recently. Thakur was discussing with an engineer. Thakur was asking, what happened to a metal if you weld with a big piece? I'm repeating again. What happened to a metal if you weld with a big piece? The engineer replied, it goes wherever the big one goes. So we have to get ourselves welded with Sisi Thakur, with Acharya Dev, with Thakur family. Then probably we can get rid of all the worries. We have to surrender to him. Then probably we can have peace, prosperity, and happiness in our life. আমি সবাইকে, আপনারা যারা আছেন, যে সবাইকে আমার আবারও জয়গুরু জানাই, এবং for the sake of time I'm just ending here. জয়।
সঞ্জীব দা, একটা দীক্ষা হলো সেই কথা 1 মিনিটে বলে দেন। এত সব সত্ত্বেও আপনি একটা দীক্ষা দিয়েছেন।
আচ্ছা, তো it started like during the March break. Actually during the March break I was so sick. We arranged a lot of satsang in the west part. I live in the east part, basically. East part and west part is a 4-hour journey. So I was hesitating to go there because I was coughing and I cannot speak. So it was at that time pandemic broke out, because we planned in a larger scale in the March break, so that we have some few initiation and all those things. And we went there. There was not too many people, but there was one initiation there. You know, it's Thakur ka daya hai. Then we came back and again started all those things. So with his mercy, we are still good, enjoying life. And কি বলবো, ঠাকুরের দয়ার কথা, জীবনে এত কিছু আছে এই ছোট্ট পরিসরে, I can't finish. জীবনের প্রতি চলতে চলতে তার যার দয়া ছাড়া জীবনেই নেই। অসংখ্য ঘটনা আপনাদেরও আছে, আমার জীবনে আছে, আমাদের জীবনে আছে। তার দয়া ছাড়া জীবনেই নেই। We can live, we can survive. সবাইকে জয়।